This video tutorial I will cover role method of calendar class which accept calendar field and boolean. Here I have defined the class calendar demo. Here I have created a calendar object. Then I am displaying the month. Month is 8. Then I am calling role method of calendar object and passing calendar field as month and true. True means it will roll up the month. So 8 will be increased to 9. Then I am calling roll method of calendar object and passing calendar field as month and false. False means roll down. So 9 will be decreased to 8.